The Indian Institute of Technology or IIT Bombay, located in Mumbai, Maharashtra, has received an overall rating of 4.6 from students on Shiksha.com. How is the BTech program offered here? Let's find out, starting with the placements, which are rated 4.6 stars. According to NIRF 2024, 798 students graduated from the 4-year UG program in 2022-23, with 644 securing placements and 154 opting for higher studies. The placement rate was 81% in 2023, reflecting a dynamic trend over the years. The median salary offered was 19.63 lakh per annum, marking a significant increase from 2021. Top recruiters included Airbus, BMW, Tata, Google, Microsoft, and Ola that offered roles like lead engineer, developer, and chief designer. The highest package was 3.4 crore for international and 1.67 crore for domestic in 2023-24. IIT Bombay's median package is on par with IIT Delhi but trails behind IIT Kanpur in comparison. Students are required to complete mandatory internships in their second and third years, with opportunities at Air India, Vistara, Bain & Co, P&G, Microsoft, and Dr. Reddy's as noted in reviews. Moving on now to the academics, where the BTech program at IIT Bombay, rated 4.6 by students, it offers 11 specializations, including aerospace engineering, meteorological engineering and material science, engineering physics, industrial engineering and operations research. The institute also offers an integrated BTech plus MTech degree. Admission requires a minimum of 75% in class 12, with JEE Main or JEE Advanced being the accepted entrance exam. The program fee for the 4-year BTech program is 8.69 lakh rupees and the hostel fees is 2.36 lakhs. Let's now talk about the infrastructure, rated 4.5 stars. The 545-acre campus is Wi-Fi enabled and offers ICT enabled classrooms, modern labs like X-ray, Cummings engine research, cell culture, industrial engineering, AI and ML, lecture halls and auditoriums. Students appreciate the hostel facilities but consider the mess food average even with monthly menu changes. The canteen provides non-vegetarian options. Sport facilities include basketball, football, volleyball, badminton, and a sports complex. Let's now take a look at the faculty and course, rated 4.4 stars. IIT Bombay's faculty is highly qualified and many of whom hold PhDs, and students appreciate the support from help sessions and tutorials along with access to lecture slides, assignments, and reference books via an app. To be eligible for exams, students must maintain a minimum of 80% attendance and passing grade in DD. IIT Bombay has established international collaborations with institutes such as BRICS Network University and Carlos III University of Madrid, providing students with opportunities for exchange programs. Turning our attention to the 4.7 star rated campus life. The vibrant campus life at IIT Bombay includes various student clubs for technical, cultural, and welfare activities, along with specialized clubs including aero modeling, robotics, energy, and racing teams. Key events are the cultural festival Mood Indigo and Tech Fest. Finally, IIT Bombay holds the third rank in the NIRF 2024 engineering category. For more details on the Indian Institute of Technology Bombay, Mumbai, Maharashtra, and to explore thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha app now. We would love to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.